YouTube, it's Chrissy with Candles by Chrissy. Today I am doing a photo shoot for the company, and I have my son is going to be with me as well, and we're doing like Mother Day shoots. And so I thought it would be a cool idea to bring you guys along to show you exactly what I'm doing and how I do my photos and how I set up all of the professional shoots so that we can be able to post them each time a holiday comes up that month, or whatever I'm promoting. Like right now I have on Dope Black Mom, and my son has on Dope Black Son. You want to show him your outfit? Okay, and so what we're doing is, with this shot, we're going to do our Juneteenth candles that are coming out. And so I wanted to promote it ahead of time, take the photos, and make sure that everything was together. So I'm going to take you guys along. Hi you guys, so now I'm about to go ahead and have my stylist do the front of my hair, and then I'm gonna take a photo shoot. So I'm going to have this like just going so you can see how he does things and gets me together, and then from there we'll take you to the location where we're We're not done, but I wanted to show you some of the little touches. My makeup artist is from Miami. Do you have a Facebook or Instagram?
Yes, we'll give it to you.
We'll give it to you in just a second. Okay, you guys, this is the final look. And so now we're about to go outside to do one of our shoots outside. So we are now outside and we're taking shots. And so my son is taking shots right now, and then I'm gonna jump in. And so if you can see, we just are doing shots off of this tree in background. We just want, you know, the nature feel, because that is our candles, Indiana Farms. Like the farm feel from Indiana. This is my outfit. This is a vintage skirt, and then I had this shirt made by Above Custom Printing, which is a local black owner who prints t-shirts. He prints all my company t-shirts. going really well, as you can tell. I'm dancing and I'm having so much fun. It's so cool to be able to do this and promote my products and have my son in it at the same time. Like, how cool is that? The first day of the photo shoot it's over, and then I'll see you guys on the next day, which is tomorrow, to do the rest. So I wanted to share the photos from the photo shoot. I want to thank my photographer and my hairstylist. If you guys like what you've seen in the video, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys later.